Bagger 293. The Bagger 293 is a giant bucket wheel excavator manufactured by the German industrial company Tackraf, used for massive overburden removal to reach coal seams in open pit mines. It stands 96 meters tall, measures 225 meters long, and weighs 14,200 metric tons. This behemoth can move 240,000 cubic meters of soil per day, which is equivalent to the manual workload of over 40,000 workers. Its bucket wheel is over 21.3 meters in diameter and features 18 buckets. Despite its massive weight, it utilizes 12 caterpillar tracks to distribute pressure so effectively that the ground pressure it exerts is no deeper than a human footprint. Most surprisingly, this entire machine is operated by a disproportionately small crew of only 5 people. Seawise Giant. The Seawise Giant, also known as the Knock Nevis, was constructed by Sumitomo Heavy Industries at the Oppama shipyard in Japan. The Seawise Giant was originally an ultra-large crude carrier for global petroleum transport before being converted into a floating storage unit. It holds the record as the longest self-propelled ship ever built at 458.45 meters, with a fully loaded displacement of over 657,000 tons. It was longer than the Empire State Building and nearly twice the length of the RMS Titanic. It could carry 4.1 million barrels of crude oil, and because of its massive inertia, it required 5.5 miles to stop from its top speed. It was powered by 2 Mitsubishi B2 M8 boilers, designed by Combustion Engineering, along with a Sumitomo Stal-Laval steam turbine generating 50,000 horsepower. F60 Overburden Conveyor Bridge. The F60 Overburden Conveyor Bridge was built by VEB Tackraf Lauchhammer. Functioning as a mobile conveyor system, it transports overburden across the width of an open pit mine to backfill areas where coal has already been extracted. With a total length of 502 meters, it is the longest vehicle ever made, even surpassing the length of the Prelude FLNG. This colossal machine stands roughly 80 meters high and stretches up to 240 meters wide and can skim up to 60 meters of overburden, boasting a conveying capacity of 29,000 cubic meters per hour or 50,000 tons every single hour. That is enough earth to bury an entire football field under 7 to 8 meters of dirt in just 60 minutes. Nicknamed the horizontal Eiffel Tower, it is 182 meters longer than the Eiffel Tower. Its massive undercarriage runs on 760 wheels, 380 of which are powered. BelAZ 75710. The BelAZ 75710 is manufactured by the company BelAZ in Jodzina, Belarus. It first started production in 2013 and was engineered to transport massive payloads of rock and ore in deep open pit mines. This giant truck is over 20 meters long and stands more than 8 meters high. It is so heavy that it weighs 360 tons even when it is empty. It holds the record for the highest payload capacity of any haul truck, capable of carrying 450 metric tons. To move this much weight, it uses 2 massive 16-cylinder engines that produce 4,600 horsepower. To understand its power, it is 6 times stronger than a Formula One racing car. Its tires are 13 feet tall, which is twice the height of a normal person. To save fuel, the truck has the unique ability to operate on only one of its engines when traveling without a load. NASA Crawler Transporter. The NASA Crawler Transporter was manufactured by the Marion Power Shovel Company in Ohio and became operational in 1966. These behemoths transport massive rockets and spacecraft from the assembly building to the launch pad. Each crawler is roughly the size of a professional baseball infield, measuring 131 feet long and 114 feet wide, with an adjustable height that can reach up to 26 feet. To move its incredible weight, the machine uses 2 2,750 horsepower V16 diesel engines. The upgraded Super Crawler can carry 18 million pounds, which is the same weight as 20 fully loaded airplanes. These machines use a hydraulic leveling system to keep rockets perfectly vertical within 1/6 of a degree, even when traveling up a 5% incline. Because they are so powerful, they require a lot of energy. Interestingly, this machine consumes 1 gallon of diesel for every 32 feet it travels. Over its 50-year career, it has traveled over 3,400 miles at a top speed of only 1 mile per hour. Prelude FLNG. The Prelude FLNG was manufactured by the Technip Samsung Consortium in South Korea and was completed in July 2017. It is a floating facility that extracts, processes, and liquefies natural gas at sea, chilling the gas to minus 162 degrees Celsius to shrink its volume by 600 times for transport. Measuring 488 meters long and 74 meters wide, this is the largest floating object ever constructed. It is so massive that it weighs 600,000 tons when fully loaded. To put its size in perspective, it is longer than 4 soccer fields laid end to end and contains enough steel to build the Golden Gate Bridge 3 times. To process the gas, the system is incredibly powerful, drawing in 50 million liters of cold ocean water every single hour. Remarkably, even though it is a ship-like structure, it is built to stay in one place for 25 years and is designed to survive the most powerful Category 5 cyclones without moving.